Bonjour. Innovation in every thread. Founded in 1988, Bonjour has grown to become India's leading name in the socks manufacturing industry. With over 3 decades of expertise, our journey from a small startup to a vertically integrated global brand is a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. Bonjour revolutionized the Indian market by introducing the country's first cotton stretchable socks with Lycra. Today, we manufacture over 30 million premium quality socks annually. Our story began with a simple vision: to create the perfect sock. Today, Bonjour is synonymous with trust, quality, and style, making strides not just in India, but across the globe. We blend our rich heritage with cutting-edge technology to deliver the best to our customers. Bonjour socks are crafted with precision and passion. From everyday essentials and fashion-forward designs to luxury collections, Bonjour offers a diverse range of socks to cater to every need and style. Each pair is meticulously crafted to ensure both comfort and durability.
At Bonjour, we believe in constant innovation and continuous growth. Over the past 3 decades, our journey has been defined by our commitment to set new standards in the socks industry. We take great pride in our rich heritage, driven by a vision to create better products and contribute to the world. The backbone of any company's success is in its people. At Bonjour, we are fortunate to have talented and dedicated team that excels in problem solving and propelling the companies forward. Their passion and expertise are the driving force behind our growth. Sustainability is at the heart of Bonjour's operation. We have integrated eco-friendly practices throughout our processes, from sourcing sustainable materials to implementing energy-efficient techniques. This commitment to environmental responsibility ensures that our operations have minimal impact on the planet, helping us to build a better future. At Bonjour, our customers are at the heart of everything we do. Their feedback and satisfaction drive us to constantly improve and innovate. We are grateful for their trust and loyalty, and we are committed to exceeding their expectations with every pair of socks we create.
Our commitment to quality begins with the yarn. Bonjour is dedicated to excellence at every stage of production. Our dedicated R&D team continuously explores new materials and techniques, ensuring Bonjour remains at the forefront of the industry. Our commitment to quality extends to every product we create, making Bonjour a trusted brand for all your needs.
We believe in empowering our team, giving them the space to innovate, grow, and lead with purpose. We redefine standards, not just in socks manufacturing, but in fostering a culture of trust and excellence. Together, we are more than a company. We are a family dedicated to pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks for sustainable and responsible growth.
At Bonjour, we believe in creating more than just products. We create experiences. Join us on this journey and feel the difference in every step.